This is a tutorial on how to create a TikTok pixel. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and search for TikTok Business or Business TikTok. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create a new one from here and complete the process to access the dashboard. Look for the Assets section. If you haven't created any pixels yet, this section will appear empty. In this case, we'll choose the Create option. After that, TikTok will ask you to enter the website URL. Here, you can enter the URL of the website where you want to install the pixel. TikTok will now ask you to choose the type of integration you want to use. This depends on how your website was built. If you have a WordPress website, you can choose the first option. Once you choose the correct option, click Next. In this example, we're going to choose the last option, which is the manual setup. After that, TikTok will ask what you want to configure. Here, you can choose between setting up Events API. In this case, we're going to choose the middle option, which corresponds to the TikTok pixel. Now we get to the part where we need to configure the pixel. When you click Create, TikTok will create the pixel and show you the installation codes. Since we chose the manual setup option in this case, this code needs to be copied and pasted following the instructions shown by TikTok. The first step is to add the code inside the website's header. Once the code has been added to the header, the next step is to check that the pixel is working correctly. To do this, TikTok recommends installing the TikTok Pixel Helper extension. If Pixel Helper detects the pixel, that means the installation was completed correctly. After checking this part, we go back to the TikTok dashboard and continue with the setup. At this point, TikTok may show some options related to cookies and the information that will be recorded or tracked. After this, TikTok may also show the Setup Events option. This option is used to configure events on the website automatically. In this case, we're going to continue without configuring events from this section. When you click Finish, TikTok will open the pixel we just created. This is where you'll be able to see the pixel information once it starts receiving data. It's important to keep in mind that the information does not always appear immediately. Once the pixel has been installed and you've confirmed that it is working correctly, it may take a little while before it starts showing data. There may be a delay of around 30 minutes, but in some cases, it can take a bit longer. Now we're going to show what the process would look like if you choose a different type of installation. We go back to the Pixel Creation section. Here, we enter a website again. After entering the website, TikTok will show us the integration options again. Here, we can once again choose the type of installation we want to use. From there, TikTok will show us the corresponding step for that integration. In other words, it will tell us how to install the pixel based on the platform we selected. So, if you prefer an installation type other than manual setup, you simply need to choose the correct platform and follow the process TikTok shows you. With that, the pixel is created and ready to start receiving information inside TikTok Business.